Hello everyone, this is the author of the book The Last Chronicles of Planet Earth. My name is Frank DiMora, and I'd like to invite you to go over to my website, which you see below, endtimesresearchministry.com. When you're there, you can get my book today for free. It has all the documentation that proves that the warnings that Jesus Christ gave to us concerning these last days are already coming to pass. We are definitely in the birth pangs. Now, part of the birth pang signs, the warnings that the Lord told us to look for, has to do with the dying of the birds, the fish, and the animals. You could see these in these different scriptures throughout the Bible. For example, Hosea chapter 4, verse 3. You'll see it talks about the beasts of the fields, the fowls of heaven, the fishes of the sea. Likewise, Zephaniah chapter 1, verses 2 and 3, very, very similar in its warning about the birds, the fish, and the animals. And then we look at the book of Revelation, where we see the warning that God is going to destroy those who actually destroy the earth, or if you want to say, pollute the earth. Which, if you've been watching the news, you see that there are many, many cases where mass die-offs are taking place because of pollution. My last update, I ended with March the 13th. I'm going to pick up from the reports that I got in from that date, March 13th, going to March the 20th of 2017. Unfortunately, these won't be the last reports because, as I said, we are in the last days. And these warnings are coming to pass, and you'll see a lot more of the birds, the fish, and the animals dying. Here's the documentation.